Tonight I'm in Boonton, New Jersey for a viewing party of Tank, which is a TV show on Animal Planet if you haven't seen it. Boonton Station, it actually is a station. Train tracks, real trains. My long-standing friend and bass player Jim Frint is going to be a guest on the show.
We don't want to have a chance of the whole bottom blowing out, so what we should do is vacuum it all out.
A week ago.
So Jim's company is called Aquaholics, and they do high-end aquarium projects.
On the count of three, we're going to push towards me. 1, 2, 3. Push. All right, let's roll it in a little bit and get away from the floor. All right, guys, listen. So we got to be careful of the granite so we do not crack anything. So when we're near the edges, that's the most critical point. So we don't want to do onto the cart right now, nice and smooth.
The guest for the episode is Wyclef Jean, and if you don't know who that is, that's the mastermind behind the Fugees, and big producer, multiple Grammys. I think he has like 5 Grammys.
We actually did something pretty amazing.
Aquaholics!